How to best apply humanitarian law to human rights issues. By His Excellency Ambassador Dr. Andrew Ramjohn. 1. Recognize the applicability and complementary of humanitarian law and human rights law. 2. Ensure that humanitarian law is effectively implemented and enforced by all parties to a conflict. 3. Develop measures to prevent violations of humanitarian law in conflict situations. 4. Humanitarian law can provide guidance on the treatment of specially protected persons such as civilians, refugees, and prisoners of war. 5. Humanitarian law stipulates the rights of the wounded, the sick, and shipwrecked on land and at sea. 6. Humanitarian law also provides clear guidelines on the responsibility of occupying powers and their obligations towards the occupied population. 7. Humanitarian law prohibits torture, inhuman or degrading treatment, slavery, and other practices that violate human dignity and human rights. 8. Humanitarian law requires an independent, impartial, and effective mechanism to investigate and prosecute those responsible for war crimes and crimes against humanity. 9. Humanitarian law also requires the provision of humanitarian assistance to victims of armed conflicts. 10. Humanitarian law can provide a framework for disarmament, demobilization, and reintegration of former combatants and the promotion of human rights and human security in post-conflict situations.